In this video, I will help you find the best headphones for factory workers in 2024. Links to all the products we mention in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. At number 5, we have Sony WH-1000XM5, best for noise canceling. When it comes to top-notch noise canceling capabilities, the Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones stand out as a prime choice for factory workers in need of superior sound isolation. These headphones boast exceptional active noise cancellation performance, effectively blocking out the clamor of machinery and industrial noise. The built-in microphone ensures crystal-clear communication even in bustling factory environments, allowing for seamless calls without background disruptions. With the Sony WH-1000XM5, factory workers can enjoy a personalized listening experience through the app's custom EQ settings, tailoring the sound to their preferences. The Bluetooth 5.2 technology offers versatile connectivity options, including SBC, AAC, and LDAC codecs for high-resolution audio streaming. Additionally, the headphones feature Bluetooth multipoint, enabling seamless switching between multiple devices. Whether focusing on tasks or unwinding during breaks, the Sony WH-1000XM5 provides a comfortable and immersive auditory experience, making it an indispensable companion for factory workers seeking top-tier noise cancellation and audio performance. At number 4, we have Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra headphones, best for aptX lossless. For those seeking unparalleled audio quality and seamless connectivity, the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra headphones stand out as the optimal choice with their exceptional aptX lossless feature. The aptX lossless technology ensures that you experience your music with the highest fidelity possible, delivering rich, detailed sound that's true to the original recording. This feature is especially beneficial for factory workers who need to focus on their tasks while enjoying high-quality audio. With the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra headphones, you can immerse yourself in your favorite music without any loss in audio quality, thanks to the aptX lossless codec. Whether you're listening to your favorite playlists or podcasts during your shift, these headphones provide an unmatched listening experience that enhances your overall work environment. In addition to the superb sound quality, the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra headphones offer a comfortable fit that's essential for long hours of wear in a factory setting. The combination of exceptional audio performance and comfort makes these headphones a top choice for factory workers looking to elevate their listening experience. At number 3, we have Sennheiser Accentum Wireless, best for isolation. Sennheiser Accentum Wireless headphones excel in providing exceptional isolation for factory workers, ensuring a focused and immersive audio experience in noisy environments. The snug fit and closed-back design effectively block out ambient noise, allowing me to concentrate on my tasks without distractions. The active noise cancellation feature actively combats the sounds of machinery and other disturbances, creating a serene bubble of sound around me. The lightweight design and comfortable ear cushions make wearing them for extended periods a breeze, ensuring that I can wear them throughout my shift without any discomfort. With a 5-band equalizer for sound adjustments, I can customize the audio to suit my preferences, whether I'm listening to music to keep me motivated or tuning in to important announcements. Additionally, the impressive battery life of over 40 hours means that I don't have to worry about recharging them frequently, giving me uninterrupted use throughout the workday. Overall, the Sennheiser Accentum wireless headphones are a top choice for factory workers seeking isolation and high-quality sound performance. At number 2, we have Apple AirPods Max, best for Apple users. Embracing the Apple ecosystem, the Apple AirPods Max cater to the needs of Apple users seeking a seamless audio experience. These over-ear headphones boast a sleek design with a premium build quality, offering top-tier active noise canceling ANC, and an unparalleled transparency mode that allows you to stay aware of your surroundings without taking them off. The plush ear cups provide extended comfort for long listening sessions, and the quick pairing with iOS devices thanks to the H1 chip ensures a hassle-free experience. With a focus on user convenience, the AirPods Max feature a digital crown and button for easy control of music, calls, and Siri commands. While they require a Lightning to 3.5mm cable for wired connectivity due to the absence of a 3.5mm jack, these headphones excel in integrating seamlessly with the Apple ecosystem. Overall, the Apple AirPods Max offer a blend of style, functionality, and performance that Apple users will appreciate. At number 1, we have Sennheiser Momentum 4 Wireless, best for sound quality. With a focus on delivering unparalleled sound quality, the Momentum 4 wireless headphones redefine the audio experience for discerning listeners. These headphones are a symphony for the ears, providing rich, immersive sound that transports you into your favorite music like never before. The precision-engineered drivers deliver crisp highs, deep lows, and a well-balanced mid-range, ensuring every note is heard with clarity and depth. Not only do the Momentum 4 wireless headphones excel in sound quality, but they also offer a luxurious and comfortable fit. The plush ear cushions gently cradle your ears, allowing for hours of listening without any discomfort. The sleek design adds a touch of elegance to your look while providing superior sound isolation, making them ideal for use in noisy factory environments. Whether you're a music enthusiast or a professional seeking top-notch sound performance, the Sennheiser Momentum 4 wireless headphones are a perfect choice for those who demand nothing but the best in audio quality.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. You can find the links in the description to all of the products we mentioned in this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.